In this video I'm going to be talking about profits today, and it's the most recent product in a list of binary options trading software robots that claims it can make you thousands of dollars almost overnight. Now, first of all, I'm not an affiliate of this product, so I'll not be trying to sell it to you. The purpose of my review here is to just give you a couple of options, a bit of information about the product, my own personal opinion of it, and why I think you should stay a million miles away from it. At the end, I'll also be giving you a couple of alternative recommendations based on whether it's a good fit for you or not. So, with that being said, what is profits today? Well, it's like a lot of products like this that I've reviewed. The reason I started reviewing these products is because I teach people how to make money online successfully, and I had an awful lot of people come into my team that have been trading with these kind of products that claim they can make you a fortune without doing anything, without having any knowledge of the binary options markets. And so I just started looking into these, and I just thought, well, I'd done a bit of trading myself years ago. I got out of it just because of the stress levels and the residual income, which is non-existent. So I was looking for something with a little bit more of an integrity to it and a little bit less gambling as well. So now this is just like many products that I've reviewed. It has many things in common. For example, pressure tactics to get you to sign up straight away. The 100% free today only, valid until midnight on the 11th of the 8th of the 11th. Guaranteed that tomorrow this will say valid only until midnight on the 9th of the 11th. So that's just false scarcity in an attempt to try and get you in. With any of these products, if there's somebody putting pressure on you to join, walk away. So, and it goes further, your personal spot closes in 3 minutes 43 seconds. Now, I wonder what happens if I just refresh this page. I'll be very surprised if it doesn't. There you go. The clock is automatically reset.
If you're finally ready to kick your bank account.
And all of a sudden, I've got 11 minutes 15 seconds left. So isn't that nice? Let's have a look further on down here. Live trading results. These guys are just absolutely decoration. There's nothing live about these at all. It's probably just a GIF which is running. Now, on a win percent average of 98.9%, he actually says in the video 94.7. Both of these figures are absolutely ridiculous. Even the top traders that I know don't get anywhere near this, let alone some software. So that's certainly one of the red flags to point out. Now, as for all these testimonials, the chances are very high that if you actually do a Google search on these are just either stock photographs or they're just been taken from people's Twitter accounts without them knowing. I've seen this many times. How do I know it's not a scam? Because it really works. Okay, verified testimonials. Right, well, I don't believe that personally, and obviously if you wish to do further research on that, you can do. Now, the disclaimer there, because they have to do that as part of US law. Now, in this video, it says if you're finally ready to kick your bank account and your life up a few levels, and it goes on sales pitch after sales pitch, generally referring to if you've been scammed before, this is the place for you. It also says if you're an average Joe, this is exactly where you want to be. Now, I beg to differ on that. Let's just see. You should do this if you're in your
Life out, full of questions and energy and hope, or you're a grizzled old life-tested
average Joe. Now, this is the worst place for you to be if you're an average Joe, and I'll show you why. Now, in the disclaimer, which they legally have to make, now you'll see as part of the disclaimer here, which is a legal requirement to have it, read this before considering any investment. That's exactly what they call this, an investment. Pretty much like any investment, you can lose as well as win. It says it's trading in the foreign exchange market is a challenging opportunity where above average returns are available for educated and experienced investors who are willing to take above average risk. Now, does that sound like the average Joe to you? It certainly doesn't to me. A lot of people actually don't quite realize this, that you have to know what you're doing when you go into these things. It says it's automatic, but in fact it isn't. Another thing to look out for, guys, is these programs tend to use unregulated brokers. What does that mean to you? It means that if you have any kind of problem with getting your money out or refunds of that nature, you're on your own because you're not protected by US law. And in fact, it says here quite clearly, it says, where are we? Just looking around for that. Here we are. So, neither us nor our affiliates or associates involved in the production and maintenance of these products is a registered broker or dealer or investment advisor in any state or federally sanctioned jurisdiction. That's really important because, as I said, when it comes to comeback, there is none. And also, you notice I mentioned that those were gifts on the other side. Those were not actual trades. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, which those weren't, simulated results do not represent actual trading. So guys, I think basically you've got as much information as you need to be going on with there. If you have a look, once you've actually put in your account, you've got your huge profits are set to be going into your account now, which couldn't be further from the truth. So again, it says live trading results, and they're not. So, you know, you can look on that as you wish. It looks very similar, those two pages, actually. Even there it says, congratulations, you've made it. So, not an awful lot of thought gone into the production of that. Guys, basically, if you can afford to gamble $250, go ahead. It says the app is free, but of course it's not, as in most of these products it's not. It's because you have to invest $250 in a broker in order to make any money after this at all. So the business I was telling you about, the other alternatives, if you find that this isn't a fit for you, I teach people how to make money online. I have teams of people that are successfully reproducing, building up their own business, and this is based on a proven step-by-step teaching, not taught only by me, also taught by millionaires that I know as part of the business. And if that sounds like something that you're interested in, and you want a business which you can actually promote your own self, brand yourself as the leader for people to go to, and build up a know, like and trust relationship with people as opposed to just flash in the pan, grab your money and go, then click on the link down below, yourprofitformula.com. I really look forward to speaking to you there. I will be guiding you along the way, the whole way along, and I'm not one of these people that disappears as soon as you put your details in. So I strongly look forward to speaking to you if this is the kind of business for you. I will stress, it does require work. So if you are looking for a get-rich-quick scheme where you do no work, this is definitely not the place for you, and I would advise you not to put in your email address in the link down below. This is only for people that are serious about building up a business they can be proud of, and they can see their kids being proud of it as well. Okay, so with that being said, make it a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.